What's up everyone, this is Zane with Veloce, and today we're going to be working on this STO, and I'm going to show you guys how to tuck the window gaskets. We like to tuck the gaskets so that it gives it a much cleaner look, as well as it protects every bit of paint on the car. We don't leave any edges exposed, so therefore there's no room for rocks to hit the paint at all. We leave the edges extended, but to get this tucked in there, there's too much film. So what we have to do is we have to make a trim on the glass to where that the film just barely lays inside the gasket. So we've already got an extended edge from the kit, and basically what I went ahead and did is trimmed it on the edge of the glass so that it will fall into the gasket easier. We use these as, they're called dental tools, and slowly work back and forth, feeding the film into the gasket. This gives it a much cleaner look, and you don't have to worry about dirt being exposed in the edges.